3.3 confidence intervals for the population mean. Because of random sampling error, it is impossible to learn the exact value of the population mean of big Y using only the information in a sample. However, it is possible to use data from a random sample to construct a set of values that contains the true population mean mu sub big Y with a certain pre-specified probability. Such a set is called a confidence set, and the pre-specified probability that mu sub big Y is contained in this set is called the confidence level. The confidence set for mu sub big Y turns out to be all the possible values of the mean between a lower and an upper limit, so that the confidence set is an interval called a confidence level. Here is one way to construct a 95% confidence set for the population mean. Begin by picking some arbitrary value for the mean. Call it mu sub y naught. Test the null hypothesis that mu sub big Y equals mu sub big Y naught against the alternative that mu sub big Y does not equal mu sub big Y naught by computing the t-statistic. If its absolute value is less than 1.96, this hypothesized value, mu sub big Y naught, is not rejected at the 5% level. So write down this non-rejected value, mu sub big Y naught. Now pick another arbitrary value of mu sub big Y naught and test it. If you cannot reject it, write down this value on your list. Do this again and again. Indeed, do so for all possible values of the population mean. Continuing this process yields the set of all values of the population mean that cannot be rejected at the 5% level by a two-sided hypothesis test. This list is useful because it summarizes the set of hypotheses you can and cannot reject at the 5% level. Based on your data, if someone walks up to you with a specific number in mind, you can tell him whether his hypothesis is rejected or not simply by looking up his number on your handy list. A bit of clever reasoning shows that this set of values has a remarkable property. The probability that it contains the true value of the population mean is 95%. Key concept 3.7 confidence intervals for the population mean. A 95% two-sided confidence interval for mu sub big Y is an interval constructed so that it contains the true value of mu sub big Y in 95% of all possible random samples. When the sample size n is large, 95%, 95% and 99% confidence intervals for mu sub big Y are 90% confidence interval for mu sub big Y equals open curly bracket big Y bar plus or minus 1.64 standard error of big Y bar close curly bracket.